I'm wearing a shirt. Good morning. It's like 11:45, whatever. But we're in the kitchen today because guess what? I'm bringing y'all a food video. It's been long awaited and honestly requested more than I thought it was gonna be, but we're here, okay? Y'all have been asking, I've been wanting to, I'm lazy, all that stuff right there. But it's Friday, it's my day off, so I'm going to film a what I eat in a day video, vegan style, because you know I'm a vegan. I eat a plant-based diet. So I'm like tired already from just that intro. I'm gonna make breakfast right now and we're just gonna start the video off like bam bam boom, we're here, okay? I'm gonna eat about 4 or 5 meals today. I'm trying to speed up my metabolism, trying to shed some weight off. So we're gonna eat like every 3 hours or so. So I want to show you guys the packaging before I start cooking it. So I'm gonna make a waffle, a sausage, and some spinach for breakfast. This is loud. So this is the waffles that I love right here by Vans. These are my favorite breakfast sausages. Oh my gosh, these are the best vegan sausages I've ever had. And they're soy free. They're actually gluten-free, soy-free, corn-free, and nut-free. It's very, very hard to come by. So I love them. They taste great. So yeah, we're gonna do one of these and one of the waffles and some spinach. Let's start the video. I'm happy. I had a long week. I'm just happy this end of the week, y'all. For real, but let's start the video. So you can probably hear my toaster oven going off with my waffle and my sausage in there. That's okay. And I'm gonna just put this MCT oil to cook my spinach. It's just coconut oil, but it's broken down to MCTs, which is what really helps your body burn fat. It helps to kill any yeast problems you might have. It's just really, really good. It's really, really, really good. So, and it has like no flavor, no taste at all. I put my stove on like medium high. I just drizzle about a tablespoon. I get this spinach from Whole Foods. I really use this like almost every single day, if not every day. I'm gonna just put some seasoning. Yeah, this has salt, red pepper, black pepper, and garlic. And I'm gonna make about 3 handfuls of spinach. 1, 2, 3. Maybe I'll do a little more. My current favorite syrup. So this is my breakfast right here. My waffle with some syrup, my sausage with some ketchup, and my spinach. And I am gonna eat that with a glass of almond milk. This is the brand of almond milk that I use. I get it at Winn-Dixie for like $4. It's really good priced at Winn-Dixie. Okay, so this is my second meal of the day. It's about 2 o'clock, or as you can see on the, you probably can't see, but on the stove, it's 1:55. So it's been about 2.5 hours. I think I started eating at 11:45. So it's been about 2 hours or so. And I'm starting off with my almond milk. Okay. 1 cup is usually what I do. You can see it's 1 cup because of the line. Then I put my greens. A pro tip is that I always put my greens right after my liquid because it helps to make sure you don't have any green chunks. I'm using the same exact spinach from earlier. I really do go through my spinach like crazy. I put about, I want to say like 2 handfuls of spinach. Okay, because I really want to get in my greens. Greens really help detox you. And it's just good for you. And then we're gonna go in with my protein powder. This is my favorite, okay? Favorite protein because it has other things in it. It has probiotics in it. It has a bunch of stuff in it. It's just so good for you. It's an all-in-one shake, but it also tastes the absolute best out of every single protein powder I've ever tried. It's the Vegan Smart brand. It's just amazing. It's just amazing. Oh my god, I can't have nothing to say. It's just amazing. 20 grams of protein per serving, and it's soy free, gluten free, non-GMO, dairy free, and no cholesterol. It's literally almost done. But I have another one in my cupboard because I'm not playing. So it calls for 2. Sometimes I put 1, sometimes I put 2, depending, but I'm gonna put 2 because it's gonna be my lunch. And you guys, like, this is not like, you know, exactly what I do every day. Sometimes I'll have a smoothie for breakfast. Sometimes I'll have waffle and sausage for lunch or dinner. Like, it just depends on how I'm feeling. Other times I'll eat an Amy's pizza. Like, you know, it's not gonna be perfect, but right now, since I am trying to take care of myself a little bit better and make sure, because on a vegan diet, you can miss out on some essential nutrients. And if you're eating veggie burgers all day, every day, it can be taxing on your body. These are the blueberries I'm going to use. I get these at, I think, Whole Foods, but they're like local, not local, it's from freaking Maine. But these are like wild and farmed blueberries. So I get these, they're not organic, but it's a 3-pound bag. It lasts me forever and it's like 10 bucks. So I really like to get this brand. I just like toss it in. Like, that should be good enough. I never measure anything. Then I'm going to get a trusty banana because bananas are life. I love bananas. I love bananas. So I'm gonna put the whole one in there. I make the same shake every time I make a shake. Like, I never switch it up. It's always the same recipe for years. It's really bad, but I'm really picky. I don't like that stuff, so it's what I like. And I'm getting some chia seeds. Okay, I'm trying to toss, like, try to do like a tablespoon. Oh, that was a lot. It's okay. That was probably like 2 tablespoons. Whatever. But chia seeds are really, really good to get your omegas, like really, really good. And also is really, really good for fiber and your fatty acids. I'm gonna put like 2 ice cubes. I hope that you guys are enjoying this video. I hope it's giving you an insight into what I eat and how I take care of myself. The camera might be tilted, but it is like 3:30 right now. I'm drinking my water. Okay, drink your water, guys. This is like 28 ounces. I'm going to drink hopefully like 4 of these before the day is over. I'm gonna go run, and then when I come back, I'll eat again. I should be like around 4 o'clock, maybe like 4:30. So yeah, just keeping a little update. I only had 2 meals so far, but I'm feeling good, feeling great. Woody woody whoop. Okay, it's dinner time. I was tired of talking that day, so I decided to do this part of a voiceover. But I just put some MCT oil and then some garlic in my pan, and I'm going to make black bean tacos. So I'm using my Cajun seasoning, some oregano, I believe I used some turmeric in this bad boy just to season up my beans and to give me some nice flavor to them. I'm not going to use any fake meat in today's tacos. I do that sometimes, but I am trying to just use more whole foods as opposed to all of the, you know, meat alternatives. I'm trying something different, and I actually did really like how it turned out. I used 1 can of beans, and this made about 4 tacos. My sister had 2 and I had 2 for the day. So I'm just going to let these beans simmer and get the flavor of the herbs and seasoning, and yeah, just like simply marinate and cook up my beans as my taco meat base. And I did this for 6 minutes, and then after 6 minutes I actually went and mashed like a good portion, like 1/3 or half of the beans, to give more of a nice like soft texture. You don't have to do this. I found it online and I actually really liked the texture it gave the beans when I ate it. So yeah, it's an easy step after most of the water is gone, just to mash up like half of the beans. I'm going to show you guys what I use. This Food for Life brown rice tortillas, some Whole Foods guac, some romaine lettuce, some cheese. This cheese was whatever. I barely ever buy those cheeses and I wasn't impressed. Gonna assemble my taco and I'm going to eat it. So that's the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you want more, if questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. Give the video a thumbs up. It really helps me. Subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.